I had to find the best AI agent to build me an app using a single prompt. I went to Gemini, Sandbox, AI I use. As you can see, the answer is the Replit agent. So that is what I used. The experiment started by me going to replit.com and then typing in this prompt that said, can you create an app to track students in a preschool, their personal information, parent information, food and drug allergies, and any other information required to be maintained in a preschool. So, it was a simple prompt, and I'm just waiting to see what will happen. And yeah, sure enough, the agent starts working and it says, I will start building a preschool student tracking application for you. It starts giving me the progress, 19 actions taken, but watch one thing, it's already at 33% of credit usage, and it's saying upgrade. Finished the job in 3 to 5 minutes. Very impressive. And up comes the application right here. I was a little bit disappointed because no sooner did the app come up in preview, it said the app has crashed. I was curious a bit, so I started poking around in the back and see what's going on, only to find out that technically they have launched the application in cloud. So the only option I had was to basically go ahead and say debug, and it started debugging, and sure enough, within a couple of minutes, it came up with a preview of the app, as you can see over here. So I opted to just go ahead and preview it and edit one of the students' information. So I went in and I said, well, okay, let me change the primary phone number. As soon as I clicked in there, it crashed again. Only option was debug again. The agent started debugging, but notice one thing here. It's now at 66% usage of credit, and it's using your credit to do the debugging also. So the debugging doesn't come free. You're paying for the debugging. And it came up again. I mean, I took the boring parts out. It worked a little bit. It came up, and the preview came up, and now it says that your daily agent credits is at 100%, and you can't even preview it. So, and that was it. It died. The next day, the credits had reset. The app was accessible. 3 students already in the system. Surprised to see that the app allowed entry of completely empty student records. No errors, no warnings, no validation, nothing. There is a gap between what we are being told about AI and what AI actually is. AI is very promising, but AI is not yet ready to produce auditable results. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment.